Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be talking about Project Charter. Project charters are a very important document in the project life cycle. Why? Because number one, this document authorizes the existence of the project, meaning without this document we cannot really say that project exists. As the name says, it's a project charter. So it's like a charter that actually authorizes the project, and also not just that it authorizes the project, this document also provides the authority to the project manager to start using the organizational resources for the purpose of delivering project objectives. As well as this document serves another purpose, which is to promote a common understanding about your project amongst the stakeholders. Now, coming to who creates this document, before we talk about what's in what do we generally have in a charter, in a project charter, we see it is highly subjective that who creates the document, who creates this project charter. Many a times we see that project managers are preparing the project charters, they are drafting the project charters. Sometimes it could be drafted by managers external to the project, or it could be drafted by program managers or PMO. So it could be very, very subjective. But one very important thing that we have to remember is that this project charter is issued by project sponsor, meaning that whosoever is the sponsoring entity or whosoever is the sponsor of the project, they have to sign and sort of issue or approve this project charter. So in a way, it's an internal document for the performing organization. It's not a contract between your customer and your organization. It's not that. Those contracts are separate. This is more of an internal document where the sponsor is signing off the project charter and saying that yes, we are committed to do this project, and the project manager is authorized to start delivering the project work, or start working towards delivering the project objectives. So it's an internal document, and not an external document with the client or with the customer. Now, see, understand that in our previous videos, we have talked about documents like business case, we have talked about benefits management plan, we have not talked about, but of course there could be some already existing agreements with your client or with your customer, which could be in form of contracts, SLAs, MSAs, etc. Now, see, these documents can have a lot of technical jargons, financial jargons, legal jargons in them. There will be confidential information, sensitive information that you don't want to really go and give to anyone and everyone. So what we are doing here in this step is to basically extract the relevant information from these documents and rephrase it in an easy to understand manner that can help even a layman to understand that what exactly the project is all about. So let me put it in this way, that project charter will be giving us a lot of information, will be providing broad high level information in various different aspects of project management, like what is the name of the project, then what is the purpose of doing this project. Now, you see, all this information is already possibly there in business case, but it might not be in a form or in a way that is easy to understand. So we are making sure that it in this document, in the project charter, this information is written in a very easy and simple to understand manner, and helps everyone to develop a common understanding. So purpose, or problem statement, why we are doing this project, what are the objectives that we want to achieve, success criteria, what is the high level scope, budget, risks, major risks. Budget also is like summary budget, key milestones, then who are the key stakeholders, who's approving this document. So as you can see, all the information that we have here is very broad, very high level, and the purpose is just to make sure that everyone has a common understanding, and at the same time your project has a formal authorization from the sponsor, as well as the project manager has the formal authority to start using the organizational resources. Now, see, there is not really too much to explain here, but the main point is that having a project charter is a must. Many organizations that I have observed, that I've worked with, they don't have this kind of a formal authorizing document. And see, it doesn't take a lot, but it gives a concrete start to the project, that yes, on this date, so and so person signed the project charter, and that's when the project officially started from. So it's a very important thing to have. It's very crucial that we have this kind of a project charter. And see, as I said, it doesn't take a lot. The information is already there in business case, benefits management plan, and agreements. So it's just a matter of quickly filtering out and rephrasing and putting all of this together in a very simple to understand manner. And another mistake that I have seen people do is they try to put everything in a project charter, like the detailed plans, the milestones, the budget, all at detailed level. Please don't do that mistake. Project charter serves a purpose to promote a common understanding. Now imagine if I send you a 5-page project charter, are you even going to open it? Are you even going to go through it word by word? And you are not someone who's closely involved in the project, but still you are a stakeholder. If I send you a 5-page project charter, 99% chances are that you won't even open that file. So it's always recommended to keep your project charters as small, crisp, precise as possible. One pages will do. Even for a very long, big project, I will say that 1 page, maximum 2 pages should be more than enough to describe the information at a high level. If you want, you can always go to some libraries like projectmanagementdoc.com or some other templates you can find online, but I will also place a charter template along with this video in the description. I hope we understood why the charters are important and what exactly is the content of a project charter, like what goes in a project charter. So that's all for today's video.